is amazing. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to use some nuts. You don't have to, it's option. Welcome back in the kitchen again this evening with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen to give you one of my basic recipe. It is strawberry blueberry. You want to blend up all of this together and make yourself a nice, lovely, healthy smoothie for lunch, evening snack, and also, I don't know, you can also make it for breakfast if you're a person like me, myself. Hope you will enjoy the recipes. Please subscribe to the channel, leave your comments, big up on yourself, and then we're going to show you exactly how to make this. So, we got the strawberry, we got some raspberry and some blueberry. We want to blend this and make a nice, lovely smoothie recipe. Simple and easy recipe to you guys to make at home. Okay, now let's do this. Lovely. So, confusing what you can eat in the morning. So, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna walk you through it and I'm gonna show you what you can do at home. Get a big bowl with water. Alright. Oops. Alright, so you can only try certain recipe. Now, a little bit of baking soda, strawberry, blueberry, and raspberry. Everything. Alright. So what you want to do? Wash them off. Alright. Yeah. So you want to leave these in the water for roughly about 15 minutes. Then we come back. Alright. You wash off your ingredients. Alright. Once you wash off your ingredients, you drain them off. What we're going to do, I want to show you some more ingredients right here. This is some oats I've been soaking into water, and this is some chia seeds I've been soaking into water. So what you can do, alright, just to show you guys, important, is pour it off the water, the oats which have been soaking. You need to do this so you can see. Alright, we don't need the water, we only need the oats. Lovely. So if we put this on one side and get our blender. Alright, so we need to get the blender to make this an amazing, incredible recipe. Right, the ingredients. So number one, we're going to get the oats. So 2 tablespoons of oats. Alright, and then chia seeds, 1 tablespoon. I soak it into water. Then we're going to get the strawberries. This is the strawberry. Alright, strawberry is amazing, chunky and nice. Look at that, lovely and nice. So I'm just using up this strawberry. That is lovely. Then we're going to get some blueberry and raspberry to put inside of it. Make sure I use up all of these strawberry. That is lovely and an amazing, very healthy breakfast in the morning for a perfect weight loss. If you are looking for weight loss, as you can see, that is empty and nice. We're gonna put roughly about a teaspoon of organic honey. Now there are things you can use at home. You can use milk, you can use almond milk, and you can use water. I'm using some alkaline water from the bottle for about a cup. Lovely. Now lid. All right, and this is how it look right there. So what we're going to do, we are going to blend it. All right, this is just for a healthy breakfast in the morning. If you are looking for a breakfast recipe and you feel like there's no way, look at this. So you can get yourself a copy of my brand new book right here. Just remember, From Poverty to Purpose. Lovely. That is excellent. Wow, look at that. That is amazing. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to use some nuts. You don't have to, it's option. And put some chopped nuts on top of it like this. See? Very delicious, healthy for breakfast in the morning if you are looking for something simple to make at home. All right, so you know exactly what to do. Please enjoy the recipe, guys. All right, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We've got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas.